All right, court is calling 2024 CR 3748, and this will be our last case.
Here we go, the last case of the day, and it's a felony assault charge. Stick around, because this one goes from shoe shopping to a courtroom showdown.
State of Texas versus DeAndre Debriel. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense. And are you Miss Debriel?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
To the best of my knowledge, yes.
Did you review it with your client?
Yeah.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Debriel, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Proceed on count one and read count two.
Any objection?
No.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Quick breakdown. Assaulting a security officer is automatically more serious than a regular assault. That's why this jumped to a third-degree felony, carrying up to 10 years. Do you think that's fair? Let me know in the comments.
Did you understand in count one, you're charged with assault, bodily injury on a security officer? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding the guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, please.
All right, so what started this argument at the Shoe Palace?
So it had nothing to really do with me. It was just me and a group of my friends. It was someone's birthday. We were just in the mall cashing out like $3,000 worth of stuff. So it was girls behind us. One of them got behind my friend, and I told her, I said, "Hey, it looks like this girl is gonna hit you." Next thing I know, this girl did hit my friend. Mind you, I moved out the way. I didn't fight. I didn't do any of that. Oh, I'm so sorry. So we're just buying stuff up at the mall. One of the girls was behind my friend. I told my friend, "Hey, this girl is looking like she's gonna do something to you." The girl actually did hit my friend. So the people that I was with, everybody fought except for me. I'm on the sideline.
Notice how she insists she was just a bystander? Classic courtroom defense. I didn't swing, I was just standing there. But the nail scratch to the eye changes everything.
See it on cameras. I'm on the sideline doing nothing. So I walk out of the store and we're all walking towards the exit. 7 or 8 security guards run up behind me, and the guy didn't even give me a chance to say anything, do anything. He was aggressive towards me, and I got scared. And I told him, "Hey, get out of my face, da 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 da, whoop whoop whoop."
Okay, let me ask you something. Do you think the court reporter can take da 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 whoop whoop whoop
No.
down?
I'm sorry. No, ma'am.
So, Maria,
Yes.
that's da 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 whoop whoop whoop. And I may have missed one of the da 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 dots.
I'm sorry. So they just started. So the security man.
Right. So let me just tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Security guard is saying you caught him in the eye with your fingernail. Were you wearing those nails?
They were longer, and I'm sorry.
They were longer?
Yes, ma'am.
So it caught him in his eye.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why we're here.
And I do apologize about that, but at the same token, if 7 men was coming at you, you would be scared too. If 7 men threw you into an iron gate, you would feel the same way I did.
I would have picked up the phone and called the police.
Oh,
if
they
I'm
were
at the Shoe Palace.
They were already there.
Here's my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Why was a girl behind your friend looking like she was going to hit her? What was going on?
They was hating on us.
All right. Why?
Because we was in the mall just catching up, just spending a piece of change. Just a nice mall, spending some money.
Shoe Palace?
No, okay, well, I like shoes. I don't know about everybody else, but we spent a lot of money in the mall that day.
And which mall was this?
The one that's got the big boots on the outside of it that I'm not.
Oh, North
Back
Shore?
to.
Okay. All right. You know what somebody said in a program that I watch? He said, wealthy people don't spend their money on fancy items because they're wealthy. They don't need.
Wow, The judge just dropped some life advice mid-hearing. Question for you. Do you agree that spending on flashy items keeps people broke? Or was that a little too preachy for a courtroom moment?
To spend a lot of money so people can see that they're wealthy. He said poor people, some, will never obtain wealth because they keep buying stuff to show that they're wealthy. Like, I never understood when people would buy, like, for example, the Hermes bag. That bag is like $20,000, maybe more, 120,000. Some of them, it's like people buy that bag, 120,000, poor people financially, and they don't have $20,000 to put in the bag. They like maybe have $100. But here's the thing: you got in a fight at the Shoe Palace, and the security guard got hit by your long nail.
I didn't.
If you would have, here's the thing: if you would have had your natural nails on, maybe he wouldn't have been injured. But this is where we are. So the people you were with who are listed in here: Tahaya Lovejoy, Linda Marie Lovejoy.
Who? I don't know.
You don't know any of them? Okay. All right. This is what I'm going to do. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm an AGM for a management company for hotels. An AGM and assistant general manager.
All right. The court is going.
So here's what that means. She's not officially convicted today. Instead, she's on probation for 3 years. If she stays out of trouble, she avoids prison. But one slip up and the full sentence comes back.
You to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's a $400 fine that will be probated. Do you have any children?
No.
All right. There's to be no contact with the following persons: Benjamin Mendoza, Colin Johnson, I think this is Tahia, TA'Khia Lovejoy, Linda Marie Lovejoy, Tanisha Lauren Jones, Laurin. I know you say you love shoes. Not at the Shoe Palace anymore.
Okay.
So no contact with the Shoe Palace. And I tell you what, I'll do no contact at the Shoe Palace at North Star Mall. Far be it from me to take away your ability to go to all the Shoe Palaces.
Okay.
So Shoe Palace at North Star. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Anger management course. Regular random UAs. Field visits 1 time per month for 2 months. Probation. Is there anything else? Just 1 second. Probation. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, but I have a question.
Yes.
So you said that there's going to be field visits to, like, I'm assuming my home, which is close behind Denny. I don't live in San Antonio.
Oh, where do you live?
I live in Killeen.
Oh, okay. And she's going to be out of Killeen probation.
Yes, sir. Are you reporting to Jordan?
Yes. And transferred to Killeen, Texas. What parish is that?
Bell.
I'm sorry, county.
Bill.
Bell County. All right.
Probably from Louisiana.
All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand? All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can come back to this court and we can compare shoes.
Okay.
All right. All right. Probation will speak with you. You're excused.
Thank you, Jordan.
All right, everyone, we're recessing.
I have Cristobal Gomez to